I chose fashion because it was something I wanted to do since I was a kid, and coming to this program, I knew that I could learn more.
We are a career and technical center, and we teach children how to sew and how to design and introduce them into the fashion industry.
One of the best parts of this program is at the end of the year we have a fashion show, and everything we learned in this class all comes together and we get to design something that we are passionate about.
What we do here is it is the basic foundation skills for every career in the fashion industry. This program is quite unique because students get the opportunity to basically dip their toe in the pool of the design industry as well as the fashion business industry and fashion technology.
The best part about being in this program is the creative freedom we're given as individuals in this classroom.
It's not always easy. There is a lot of work, but the connections that you make are really, really good, and it's all worth it in the end.
I would recommend this program because you just completely get a head start on your future.